Hi, my name is Andy Parkin, and as the Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed, I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about a very important tool, the Screeding Level. Why you need a Screeding Level? If you are laying a screed floor, you will need to make sure you have a good Screeding Level. It is an essential part of your toolkit. A Screeding Level is similar to a spirit level, but it is much more bulky and hard wearing because it has to work a lot harder than your average level. Floors need to be made level, and a heavier tool such as the Screeding Level plays a key part in this by making it a lot easier to smooth the surface as you level because of the increased weight and bulk. Although standard spirit levels are the preferred tool when it comes to smaller jobs, like keeping plaster level or fitting shelving, when it comes to the heavier work involved in levelling screed, the Screeding Level is more useful. Plus, despite being specifically designed for laying floors, it can still be used on several other DIY jobs that require measurement or straight edges. Although a Screeding Level may look similar to a spirit level, it is easy to differentiate it by its size, dimensions and bulk, and will have handles to allow for smoothing down the screed. It will still have the characteristic bubble vials that you find on the top of the spirit levels, however, which also assist you to assess the flatness of the floor. How to use your Screeding Level. Here are some basic tips to follow so you get the most from your Screeding Level. Floor prep. Before you put any screed down, you must make sure the area is properly prepared. Use of the Screeding Level. Use both hands to grip the handles, knuckles up, and then place the Screeding Level on the screed. Placing the Screeding Level. This should be placed level on the edge of the screed area. Spread the screed. Apply pressure downward onto the screed to spread the product evenly across the area. Smooth the screed. So use the Screeding Level to smooth the screed by pushing it side to side, moving across the top of the screeded surface towards yourself. Make sure you keep the pressure firm and consistent. Tamp the screed. Tamping is important as it compacts the screed. This not only makes it stronger but also last longer. To do this, you simply take your screed level and repeatedly pat the surface of the screed. This has been a basic introduction to a very important tool. Purchasing a good quality Screeding Level that can last for many years is one of the best investments for anyone considering laying screed flooring.